What food and drink options are on Thousand Islands boat tours in NY? If you are curious about the food and drink options available on Thousand Islands boat tours in New York, you are in for a treat. These boat tours not only offer stunning views of the St. Lawrence River and its islands but also a delightful dining experience. Let's take a closer look at what you can expect. Many boat tours provide dinner cruises that feature a full dinner service. The menus rotate based on the day of the week. For instance, you might find a barbecue buffet on Thursdays, an Italian buffet on Fridays, and a premier prime rib buffet on Saturdays. These dinner cruises often include cocktails and live entertainment, making for a memorable evening while you enjoy the beautiful scenery and landmarks like Bolt Castle. If lunch is more your style, some tours offer luncheon cruises. These can include bistro-style or buffet lunch options. Guests can choose from specific menu items or enjoy a variety of dishes from a buffet. These lunches are served on board during a scenic cruise lasting about 2.5 hours. Some tours even stop at Bolt Castle, giving you a chance to explore. For those who love breakfast, there are breakfast tours that serve continental breakfast items. Imagine enjoying a morning meal while cruising through the picturesque islands. A unique option available through some fishing charter tours is the traditional shore dinner. This regional specialty features freshly caught fried fish fillets, pork fatback and onion sandwiches, garden salad with Thousand Island dressing, salt potatoes, local sweet corn, and French toast with maple syrup for dessert. If you are looking for quick bites, there are plenty of snack options available at or near the docks. You can find hamburgers, cheeseburgers, wraps, chicken tenders, hot dogs, pizza, soft pretzels, nachos, French fries, onion rings, and ice cream. These snacks are often available at cafes or stands, like the Castle Cafe and Hot Dog Stand, near popular sites such as Bolt Castle. Don't forget to try local specialties like the original Thousand Island dressing and squeaky cheese curds from local producers. As for beverages, many tours include cocktails, soft drinks, coffee, and other drinks. Some cruises even start with a cocktail on the top deck, allowing you to soak in the views while sipping your drink. In summary, Thousand Islands boat tours offer a wide range of dining experiences, from casual snacks to elegant multi-course meals. With local ingredients and traditional dishes, you can enjoy delicious food and drink options while taking in the natural beauty and history of the area.